To view your monthly Wi-Fi data usage in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap data usage, tap Wi-Fi data usage. Here by default you can see your Wi-Fi data usage for the current billing cycle. You can also see your Wi-Fi data usage from the last 4 billing cycle. To do so, tap the billing cycle and then select the required billing cycle. In the screen you can also see Wi-Fi data usage per apps to let you know which app that use the most or the least data. If needed, you can tap an app to see how much its foreground and background Wi-Fi data usage. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.